All right, Griff Man, before we do this video, I want everybody to see what kind of super fans we are. So this is our bin of goo. All of this is Goo Jit Zu from top to bottom. We'll pour it all out later so you can see them all, but we're gonna weigh it. You might be able to come in. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. We got it on the scale. We're on the scale. Let's try to read it.
Watch till end to see how heavy our goo is.
Nice. Grip Man, are you ready for a surprise?
What?
Are you ready for a surprise?
Yes.
Man, we just got 3 toys from Moose Toys. I kid you not, just wait. All right, here we go. Here's the box. All right, Griff Man, open this bad boy up. You're not gonna believe it.
There's nothing.
What?
There's nothing.
What are you talking about, man?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I just opened this earlier and there was like a rock jaw, a new color shifter rock jaw in here. It's not in there?
No.
What the heck's going on? Where did Rockjaw go? This is our first big, like, actual toy video with the free toy from a toy company. And it's gone.
Daddy?
Oh, what is it, Griff Man? What is it?
We are going on a gator hunt.
Griffin is absolutely right. We're going on a gator hunt. We're gonna catch a Rockjaw. It's gonna be a big one with sharp teeth.
I'm not scared of you.
Dig deep within our Goojitzu pile and find our newest Blazagon.
What is this? Ah!
He's right there. Blazagon, Griffin and I have a big problem, and we've come here to seek your wisdom. Blazagon, we don't know where our Rockjaw went. Oh, we lost him before we could even unbox him, and I feel really bad.
How much weight gone?
That's all right, Brock. It's not like you accidentally wadded up and destroyed the secret instructions Moose sent you.
Wait a minute, Blazagon. I don't even know what instructions you're talking about. Nobody gave us any instructions.
Daddy, there's a feast.
What is that?
Daddy, Dad, a feast.
Oh no, I must have wadded that up and threw it in the bottom of the box. I think those were the ancient, secret, mystical instructions.
Don't despair, Brock. It's not like you would have broken any of the 3 rules. That would be absurd. You wouldn't have fed him after midnight or played Fortnite with him. He's way too young, and you certainly wouldn't have watched any movies that were rated more than PG-13.
I don't feel like I did any of those things. Griffin, did we do any of those things?
No.
We wouldn't have done any of that weird stuff, Blazagon. Yeah, we did all of those things. All right. Blazagon, we're really sorry that we caused Rockjaw to turn into a gigantic Godzilla-type monster. Do you have any idea what we could do now?
If you have broken any of the 3 rules, then, well, Rockjaw's turned into a gigantic kaiju. But no fear, give me your cell phone.
You already took it like a minute ago. Anyway, what should we do, Blazagon?
Just keep making your video, Brock. Silverback will come to you in your hour of greatest need. That's a new ordering option on Amazon.
Griffin, you want to show some of your favorites?
This one.
Hydra. Primal Rockjaw.
This one.
Bodie, what's your favorite? Oh, yeah, we love this guy. What was his name? Can't remember. We're going to look it up.
This one.
Oh, yeah, we just got this guy. He's like season 1. He's so cool. Bodie, come here.
We have a last favorite.
Oh, yeah.
And a red penguin.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, those are like our ultra rarest of ultra rares. Bodie, who's your favorite? Oh, boy. There's his favorite. Sonic T Hedgehog. Play Planet. Griffman, do you hear that? What could it be? Oh, no. I think it's Giant Rockjaw. Let's go check outside.
Oof, climb over the baby gate.
Come on, bud. Let's go see. Oh, boy. It's him, Griffman. It's the Giant Rockjaw. I guess it's time to find out if Blazagon's plan is gonna work. Wait a minute. What's that other sound? It's him!
Silverback!
Griffin, I think it might be a good idea if we go inside where it's safer. Let's go! Okay. Okay. Come on. Let's watch from the window.
Daddy! Silverback won!
And Rockjaw turned back into a toy. Come on, let's go down there and pick him up. I'd do it all over again for a free Rockjaw.
Okay.
All right, folks. I'm saving it for the end, but we're going to do a little bit more of a traditional unboxing for you now. So let's go. All right,
Yeah.
Can you get him, Grippy?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, Griffman! The power! Now that's an unboxing. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Okay, folks, and here is your lineup. It's all the usual suspects. And, of course, our first official Goojitzu in the mainline Bengal. And this, I think, almost impossible to find, Corruptagon. I haven't seen him anywhere on Earth, people. But today we are talking specifically about Rockjaw. Oh, what's going on, new Hydra? Looking good, my man. Groovy, what do you think about this guy?
I'm going to...
What is he? Is he super what?
Yep.
What would you call him? Super...
Squishy.
Squishy! That's exactly what Moose calls him too, super squishy. What's up, Buddha? You want to see how you think about it? Who did you bring me? Brain drain! Ow! Alright guys, so this is the new Goo Shifter build of Rockjaw. Kind of King Koopa looking, right? I like that almost back shell that he's got. He's got this super nice chain belt with the skull on it. Some chains around his wrists as well. And I like the new face. It looks good. I'm looking real cute. So I think the Goo Shifters kind of look like they've grown up, but you know, they're a little bit older, muscles all filled out and stuff. They look pretty tight. I like them. But the main feature here, of course, that everybody's wondering about is this magic ball, the Goo Shifter. Griffey, we did a Goo Shifter before. How would you describe when that bursts? What's it like?
Crazy.
Yeah, you remember when we did it the first time? What's inside of there? What was inside of our first one? All right. So, what just happened? So inside here, you have this thing. That is the actual like Goo Shifter ball. You're gonna squeeze it, which we'll do in just a minute, and some fun stuff comes out. Are you gonna try to burst it? All right, go.
Got some of it.
Get it out of there. Burst it.
Can't do
It's harder than it looks, folks. It's harder than it looks, right, Griff? All right, I'm gonna give it a try. I think I bursted one. Let me see if I can burst another. Okay, here we go. I definitely got it close. It's not easy, folks. Don't come. I'm not coming at it from the right angle, I don't think. Here we go, folks. Oh, it's bursting. It's color bursting. Oh, yeah, there it goes, folks.
Is this same?
When you pop it, there's just this most satisfying, like, oh, I'm still getting it, listen. Ah, there was still some stuff in there. You could, like, actually, like, feel and hear the pop.
It's actually good.
But right now, you see before your eyes, he goes from yellow to, what color is he now, Griff?
Same color to this guy.
Yeah, same color as this guy.
Water.
He's filled with water, right? So yeah, turn to like a dark green. Now, Griffin showed you what our first Goo Shifter was. Oh, it still made that satisfying feel. I mean, you gotta feel this, you guys. All right, Griff alluded to the first Goo Shifter we actually got was Primal Rock Jaw. So let me show you what happens. You'll see in the hand here, you've got all these little tiny balls that actually came out when you squished the ball. See them there? All those little tiny balls. What those are? So all these awesome little balls are actually Orbeez. Let me show you what this guy grows up to be. All right, Griff, man, you want to squeeze him for us?
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. Oh, what's in there?
Orbeez.
Orbeez. You just got it. Yeah, our new Hydra's got Orbeez too, right? Is he, what color? He's got like yellow Orbeez. They're not as big. I don't know what this is, but these got so big.
Can I see?
And I'm excited because if his get big, he's gonna be so chubby, right, Griff?
Yeah.
Because didn't our alligator get chubbier?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
They're all big.
Yeah, they're huge, right?
Yeah.
They're like the biggest Orbeez I've ever seen. And look how chubby he is. We love him. So we're hoping that this rock jaw also gets similarly adorbs. All right, our other featured star of today's episode was Silverback, who is now a classic Goojitzu. He's filled with skulls. Probably one of the coolest. I mean, look at this dude. So happy to be able to show him off. He still looks like new, but he won't for long. This is 25 pounds of goo, people. All right, guys. Special thanks to Moose Toys for sending us this new rock jaw. Actually, Pawpaw bought you that one for Christmas.
Hey, my friends, this is the bear here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.